Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 3rd, 2022. Yeah, let's talk about gold and nugget real quick. I mean, look at my chart. Yeah, I did a price prediction. I was telling you all then to be prepared for the price to go down. And sad to say, the price prediction actually came to fruition. Now, I know many of you was looking for GNOG to continue to explode up in price because DraftKings came and bought it out. And instead of the market continuing to go up, price has been coming down. See, this is the thing about these YouTubers. They continue to pump one side of the market. They continue to tell you that everything is always a buy. But on this channel, I play both sides. I could care less about where price is going to go because I know that we can win when price goes up and we can also win when price goes down. So why would we be biased to the buy side? We can also join in with the sellers. So before I talk about GNOG and to see if it's a value trap, because obviously it was, and give you all this updated stock analysis for GNOG, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, because I'm not here to hype you up. I'm not here to give you any persuasion, any FUD, any FOMO, any fundamental analysis, any technical analysis, because it's all noise. The only thing that matters is the money, because money talks and noise walks. Price is the only thing we need to focus in on. The only thing. Once you understand the market based on price alone, you guys can actually be in position and win in this space without holding it back, right? So look at this. I did a video on October the 15th for GNOG telling you all, hey, yeah, look for the prices to go down. You got 12, almost 13% on November the 10th, right? So from October the 15th to November the 10th, about a month, a little less. Yeah, you got 13%. Let's say you're still into the market now playing in weakness. You have 42 and a quarter. I mean, come on. You can't say that you did not know this. I predicted this back in October while everyone else is pumping this DraftKings buying out gold and Nugget. Everyone else been pumping that information, pumping that news. That's good information. That's a good catalyst. Let's see this price hit $50 in gold and nuggets. Yeah, it seemed like a lot of people who bought in that got gypped. You was fed a false narrative. This is why I tell you all, pay attention to the price. You cannot lie when it comes to price. And the only places you can get that information from is from the price chart. While everyone else was pumping that noise, market in GNOG was coming down. So that's done. That is over. So the question is it a value trap? Obviously it was. I mean, look at this. Here we are today, start out a new year 2022, and the price is now back to where it was when it was a SPAC 2020. Here we are again. So you tell me, is GNOG a value trap? The market high from September, okay, just look at this, has seen 57% loss. This is a bear market in GNOG. When that information came out that DraftKings acquired gold and nugget, the market was selling the news. Nobody else is believing the news. You all have been fed that that's excellent information, that the price is going to go back up, that the market in GNOG is a massive buy right now because, hey, DraftKings bought them out. They were selling while you all were buying, right? So what now? Because you guys can see it, we are now starting back to where we were when GNOG was a SPAC. This area right here is going to be restriction, all right, around $11. So let me first of all show you where the sellers are still at. Okay, the first spot is 11, the second spot is 12. Okay, now from a bullish perspective, okay, I'm here to tell you this now. I'm not going to be bullish into the market in GNOG until I see this price break above $11 first, right? So we need to see the price in GNOG break above 11 and then eventually 12. Now we saw what, 57% loss. So yeah, we might get a pop. I mean, it's about due for us to see the market and GNOG go up. But I won't be looking forward to hit like to $20 or nothing like that. No, 11, maybe 12. That would probably be the high that I will be looking for the market and GNOG to go. Okay. So now let's look at this from a monthly perspective first. Okay. Because you guys can see it. I mean, this is not bullish at all. The weakness into the market in GNOG actually started here in September. This is where the weakness started. So what about in 3 months? Right? That's weakness here too. What about 5 months? It's weakness here too. 6 months is massively weak. I mean, this looked like the market in GNOG is going to hit in the $5 range, considering how weak this market was on a 6-month perspective. Now, you don't want to hear that, I know, but it is what it is. Right? So, could we actually see the price come back down to 9 or even lower? Yeah, we actually can as we go throughout 2022 in the next 6 months. Okay. So this is not a playable market right now. And I know a lot of people wanted you to come in and buy these dips. I mean, all you got to do is simply go into YouTube, put in GNOG stock. And a lot of these people on YouTube told you to come in and buy these dips, right? Buy it here. Then they wanted you to come in, buy it here. And then they wanted you to come in and buy it here. And then they want you to come in and buy it here. And the market in GNOG is still weak. It is. And the whole time that you've been dollar cost averaging, the whole time you've been buying the dips, the whole time they've been feeding you this narrative that the stock is on sale, the stock is on discount, and it never was. Stocks never go on discount. Stocks never go on sale. This is just the going price of the stock. It is what it is. That is the price that people are willing to sell it. There's no guarantee that the market's going to come back up to $30 in GNOG. Now, in the next 20,000 years, yeah, can it? Who knows? But as of right now, this is the going value of the market in GNOG. And I still see weakness. I see it on the 2 weeks. I see it here on the weekly. I even see it here on the 3 weeks. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do though, is I'm going to sit the sideline. You know, I want to teach everyone that every market is not a playable market. The time for you to make the money was when I did my last video in October. So what I want to do now is to simply show you that the market is not playable. We need to see buyers come into the market in GNOG. And I'm here to tell you that I really don't see them yet. So let me see. So the market could fall like another 10%. Okay. Now, is that playable? Is that something that you're willing to nibble off of in the market in GNOG? 10%? That would be the next area to where the market in GNOG dipped on March the 9th and the 16th to $9. Anywhere else below that would be making all-time lows, which would be massively weak in the market in GNOG. Okay. So let me switch this back over to the daily real quick. Because yeah, I'm still actually bearish into the market in GNOG from a long-term basis. So again, next 3 months, 6 months, the anticipation is still for this market to go lower in GNOG, right? So the areas that I'm looking to profit from on this prediction is right here around $9.52. That's first. That's only 4%, right? See, I'm not going to be massively bearish right now because I know that we got the buyers here, right? We got them here. So $9.50 would be first. Second area would be around $9, which would give us around 9.5%. And anything less than that would be, it could go anywhere below that in GNOG. And I'm going to play that weakness until I see the market ultimately break back up above 12. Okay, so I'm paying attention to the market, especially if I see massive strength come in over the next couple of days as we go throughout January. If I see the buyers still come in and support the market here, I understand that this price prediction may go against me. I got it. I understand. Because the market, it needs to find, a balance. It needs to find some more life because this market's completely dead in GNOG. No one is even paying attention to this market right now. These YouTubers ain't even doing any videos on it anymore because it's going down. And they will have egg on their face because they've been telling you all to buy it. So right now, this is what I'm looking forward to. I'm not massively bearish. Like I said, $9.50, maybe $9. And then from there, we might get some more life into the market in GNOG and actually see the stock try to go up. And it might happen in March, right? We might see some actual strength on this earnings release that is due on March 22nd, 2022. All right, so that said, I'm done. Hit me up real quick. Let me know what you all think about the market in GNOG. Where you think the price is going to go. I know many of you say, well, we lost 57, 60%. This is a buy area right here. Yeah, many people said that when it was around 18, 15, 10. And here we are, right? So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.